What is up guys, I'm Julien the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. So welcome back to another wine video. Welcome to your new wine pronunciation video. Today we are looking at how to pronounce one of the most famous, prestigious, illustrious names in the world of wine, in the world of French wine in particular, in the world of Bordeaux wine. To be precise, the name of a village on the left bank of Bordeaux, right in the center of the appellation of Médoc. This is the village of Pauillac. Pauillac. So how do we go about pronouncing Pauillac? Well, it's, it looks a little bit strange, but it's actually pretty straightforward. First, you have to pronounce Poi, and more precisely Po. In fact, despite many say Pauillac, but it would be more like Pauillac. So Po, Po. So actually it'd be more like Po and then Yak. Pauillac. Pauillac. It's pretty straightforward. Not necessarily all that much Pauillac, but more like Pauillac. For some background information, Pauillac hosts some of the most prestigious chateau names in the world of fine wine, like Mouton Rothschild, and there will also be Lafitte Rothschild, the chateaus in Pauillac. Pauillac is located right in between the villages and the prestigious, fantastic appellations of Margaux and Saint-Estephe. I will make separate videos on how to pronounce those as well. If that's of your interest, make sure to have a look around this channel. I make some fantastic videos about visiting Mouton Rothschild, visiting Chateau Margaux, visiting all the Bordeaux area, how wine is made. So if you love wine, if you love learning about wine, have a look around my channel, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. À bientôt. Au revoir. Enjoy your journey. Enjoy your wine. À bientôt. Bye bye.
You told me I'm your anchor. I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We build this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board.